Okay guys, what's up my sweet wanderers? Today we are here in San Jeronimo, Saint Jeronimo in Antioquia, the state, Colombia. I just got off my motorbike, so let me show you my motorbike, just for those of you who are not familiar with me riding or doing this stuff. That's the motorbike, a Honda. And that's the helmet locked away. So let's go and check out the town. So you guys, when you come here, you can get on down, get down on it. Let me see you go to the groove, get down on it. You know what I'm talking about. So this is the town, San Jeronimo. It's a quiet little town. It's warm here. This is warm weather. It's still early. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Let's see what time it is. 9:55 a.m. So we are here walking towards the park, and then after San Jeronimo we will go to Santa Fe de Antioquia. So let me give you some history about San Jeronimo here off the internet. This town has an elevation of 780 meters above sea level. That's 2,560 feet above sea level. That's why it's warm. Total population is 13,158 people. And what else can I tell you about this place? Give me a second. The town's supposed to be quiet, but they have a little emergency here. According to the 2018 census, there are 15,361 inhabitants here, and the people here, they're referred to as Jeronimitas, or San Jeronimeño. Okay, what else can I tell you? A little bit about the history about this place of San Jeronimo here. Let's see what I can tell you while I don't get run over by a vehicle. Okay, I have no idea. This place, more or less, give me a second. Okay, I had lost it, but according to this, the tribes that lived in this area, they were called the Ebejicos and the Peques. And both of these tribes belonged to the family of the Nutabes. So that's an interesting information there. Let's continue showing this town here. We're coming up on the park, and this is the little park. It's a little thing. This is a little town. It's quaint. It's small, and I wanted to come and see it because I have never been here. This is my first time here in San Jeronimo, inside of it, that I can remember. So we're walking into the little park right here, and as you can see, it's got a tourist map of San Jeronimo here, and it's known for coffee, sugar cane that they process, corn, and plantain. So yeah, and there's a map right there of the town and some of the villages around it. And remember, I've been telling you that these towns in Antioquia, they always have Wi-Fi zones that are free. So it's not in English, but you can always translate it, and they give you the steps right there so you can have free Wi-Fi. So people here are just hanging out today, relaxing. There goes the police station is over there, but I'm going to stay away from the police station. There's a hotel called Sol de Occidente, and this is what we're doing here. I don't know what they're having here today, some kind of a medical campaign, book fair. Oh yeah, some vaccines for children and all of that. And there's the church right there. There's the church and all of this, and one or two people here and there that are not wearing a face mask. What can we do about that? And I can hear they're having some kind of sports over there. So I'm going to take a picture of this in a moment and continue the ride, continue the tour. So it's saying that when the Ibéricos came, the Spanish conquistadors, they first called this town San Juan del Pie de la Cuesta. But a year later, it was changed to San Jeronimo de los Cedros. This is in 1613. Between 1613 and 1616. They don't have an approximation, but that's what they're talking about. So here we are, and let's keep on walking, show you what I can of this nice little town. It's quiet, it's not crazy, at least not at this hour. So you got fast food places here, you got restaurants, bakeries, all kinds of things. And these are the town locals, and then this is the way out of town. The way in is on that way, and you got these little restaurants here that you can see, old style, La Matilda. It's a roadhouse, and people are just chilling. People are relaxing, enjoying their day. It's a Saturday morning still, about 10 a.m. now. You see the old style balconies? They were very small. I don't know how old that is, but it ain't under 50. It's older than 50 years old. And Plaza Grata, that's something newer. With a nightclub upstairs, but the nightclubs are not working right now. And look at this little business right here. This is the street that comes up from the main highway. There's another hotel there called Hotel San Jeronimo Plaza. You can always look for it on the internet, or I'll give you the phone number right now in case you want to ask about this place and all of that. So this is a small town. There's not much to show, but I'm showing you a little bit. And the telephone number is, the cell phone is 300-833-5404. Or you can look it up. They got a Gmail, an address, email, Hotel San Jeronimo Plaza at gmail.com. So, I mean, maybe just to spend a day here, probably not even to spend the night, but that'll be your call, not mine. Later. salir a la pista de tres lados. Para Santa Fe. Muchas gracias. Feliz día.